The admin console for Rodip provides a number of configuration options for your sites. Clicking a section expands the view, giving you access to the available options. At present, the admin console has 4 main sections: Identity Providers, Settings, Contacts Management, and Manage Files, as well as space for future features such as newsletter support. Clicking an option inside a section opens a new tab in your browser. Let's work through these options. The Identity Providers tab lets you select the supported authentication providers for each country. Mark the checkboxes to enable or disable the selected identity providers. When you are happy with your selection, click Save to update the configuration. When a new identity provider is added, an additional login option is available from the site's login screen. The Settings tab lets you access general settings, languages configuration, and account removal reasons. Click Settings to access the general registration settings for each country. You can specify the email validation period for both external and Rodip accounts. You can also specify the auto-delete deadline for inactive accounts, the duration for temporary user access, and enable or disable the Remember Username and Password options and their duration. The Languages section lets you enable or disable the available interface languages for the site. You can then enable or disable the available flags to display that language option on the site's login screen. You can select the default language from the available options using the radio buttons. Once you've made your changes, click Save. The final section of the settings lets you provide account removal reasons. The user can select one of these reasons when closing their account. To add a new reason, click New Reason and enter the appropriate text. Click Add to confirm this reason, and then click Save to confirm your changes. The Contacts Management section lets you view user accounts and their current status. Alongside the standard information of name, email, and creation date, the Contacts view offers key data on the account's UCI ID if known, and you can search the CRM if necessary. The user state displays whether the account is approved, pending DCR, or waiting for email validation. Accounts are temporarily active until either being validated by Roche or disabled based on the deadline set in the general settings. You can search through these contacts using the Search Criteria window, or lock an account directly. The Manage Files section has been created so that you can upload terms and conditions as a separate file. Click Choose File to select the appropriate PDF or other document from your computer. Select the file's language from the available options. Then click Upload File. Every time you add a new Terms and Conditions document to a site, users are prompted to agree to those new terms the next time they log in. The admin console is constantly being updated, with future features such as newsletter support coming soon.